Let me show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. Right here is your homepage on Facebook. So in order for you to unblock someone on Facebook, so let's say you've blocked someone on Facebook and you want to unblock them, but you can't find the message on this chat section like this. So you just need to go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner like this. Then go ahead and click on settings. So looking right here, you just need to scroll and look for where you can see blocking. Looking here, you can see that right here. You can see that right here below audience and visibility. So you just need to go ahead and click on blocking like this, and you're going to be able to see all the people you've blocked so far on Facebook. So you can actually unblock any of them by clicking on the unblock right here. Just go ahead and click on unblock, and looking, you can see if you unblock this person, she might be able to see your profile, contact you depending on your settings. So you just need to go ahead and click on unblock like this, and you're going to be able to unblock that person. So you can actually block them back by searching for them on Facebook and blocking them again. So this is how simple it is for you to unblock someone on Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.